Hey guys, today's video is this wig, of course. This is Nadula Hair. Nadula Hair sent me over this pre-highlighted wig. Yes, it came pre-highlighted. I did not add these highlights in here. And it's actually a ash type of highlight for black girls. I'm here to bring you guys this video if you guys are interested in getting this wig. I will have it linked down below. I did do a couple of beach waves with this wig, and you can see the lace is very thin, undetectable. All I can say is the side could have a little bit more lace because it's like right here I bobby pinned it down, and I just like, you can see it better here, like you can see how it's up here. So yeah, it could have a little bit more lace, but besides that, it's very pretty. And yeah, it has minimal shedding. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna attempt to talk through this video. I hope I don't start sweating because it just is very irritating when I start sweating. I've been like wanting to install this wig for the longest time. It's this dark wig with like highlights, and these highlights look really good, so that's why I'm super pressed. Okay, I just want to show you the inside of the wig. I did go ahead and bleach it and pluck it. I customized the wig, so I pluck it and bleach it. And this is the combs. It has 3 combs, 2 at the top and 1 in the back, and it does come with an adjustable strap. I just did not put it in, but it does come with that. All I did was prep my hairline with some edge control. You can use any edge control that you like. And then I wipe my skin with alcohol. This is very important, especially like if you're in a place where you're gonna sweat a lot. You have to make sure that you wipe your skin. And I love using this Ebin Wonderlace skin protectant. It basically prevents your skin from sweating and stuff, so it's supposed to help your install to last even longer because it's easy to use and apply, prevents buildup, protects against irritation, eliminates oil and sweat. So I'm gonna apply 1 layer of this and then wait for it to completely dry before I start applying my Ebin Lace Wonder spray. And I always apply 4 layers just because it gives me the maximum hold, and I can have my wig on for 3 days and it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay. And I like to put it right in front of my hairline where I'm gonna make it, like make the new hairline. So I always put it in front of my hairline because if you put it directly on your hairline, the wig is not gonna stick. The wig has to stick to your skin. So that's why I put it on my skin, because that's where I have to put the adhesive. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'm going to apply the layers. Always apply 4 layers. You can apply 2 or 3, but I always apply 4 layers because the layers just help for, like, if you sweat, it has to go through different layers before your wig is gonna lift up.
Let me hold you. No, you're not as young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. When I'm on your neck and leg up on my shoulder. On my shoulder, let me hold you. No, the night is young, but we ain't getting younger. Holding on and I can seem to keep composure. One on your neck and 1 leg on my shoulder. On my shoulder, ay, 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 ay. Situation.
That was crazy last week. See you soon. Call us. Bye.
Yeah. Situation. Stuck in a situation. I love you, I want you, baby. Favorite girl, you are my favorite girl, you are my favorite girl. You are the one for me, falling for you senselessly, yeah. Girl, you put me to sleep, Jelly got me stuck up in this situation. Me not care, shawty the black in the Asian. Mommy, when you come into me, you need patience. It's about your company and your fragrance. Put a batty on the line, girl, you know the suffocation. And you know nobody can invade us. Relegation, don't deny temptation. No, nothing like you got a sensation. She don't need no money. Miss Independent. And I want her to be mine, yeah. She don't need no money. Miss Independent. And I want her to be mine, yeah. Bite down. When you lash at me, I bite down. Fire in a night down. You can let the fire die down. No girl can ever take your crown. She can never do it, no doubt. If they ever try, I vow to protect you. I will always prevail, never fail to protect you. I see you need somebody. Girl, come close to me. Don't wait, nobody. I can see it in your eyes that you feel the type of vibe, and I know that you're liking it. I try, la 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 la. Do that thing, let's not back. Kelly got me stuck up in this situation. Been that girl, shawty the black in the Asian. Mommy, when you're coming to me, you need patience. It's your body, your company, and your fragrance. Put a batty on the line, girl, you know that's suffocation. And you know nobody can invade us. Relegation, don't deny temptation. No, nothing like you got a sensation. She don't need no money. Miss Independent. And I want her to be mine, yeah. She don't need no money. Miss Independent. And I want her to be mine, yeah. You should have your legs and I'll pull up on my shoulders. Speedy baby, we ain't getting younger. If you need, baby, promise I won't slow it down. It's a ring when I come to slow it going. I'm missing your touch. Love, I don't show love. Said she love the feeling, make it bounce. Just climb on it, bounce. Feel slow, turn around and bounce. Go slow, turn around and make it bounce. And you can have the figure Chanel back in the store if you want it. I will make it drip, I will make it drip so wet like the ocean. Kelly got me stuck up in this situation. Been that girl, shawty the black in the air.
Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to check out Nadula Hair. We'll have the links to this wig in my description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a comment, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Let me show you up close of how the lace looks because it's actually really pretty. This install came out really pretty, and I'm still in Grenada, so for me being in Grenada and you know it'd be hot, like this install turned out really good.